So data quality is a very important topic concerning the AI readiness, because the AI solutions won't work appropriately if the data quality is not high enough. And data quality we can break down to several different factors. It can be a sensor drift, so sometimes the measurements are not trustworthy because of the drifting along the time, if they are not calibrated accordingly. Then quite often there are missing values. So if we have a downtime, we have the connection between the data sources and the platform down. There might be some gaps with the data. And we need to have some tools to interpolate or extrapolate or somehow add the missing data. Then there are sometimes inaccurate batch metadata, so we might receive the data batches, but it might be that the timestamp is wrong, or we don't know quite precisely what this data is about. So at some aspect, the metadata is missing or distorted. Then manual logs and inconsistent naming is also part of the problem. So different shifts might use different naming conventions or different styles, and it gets hard to combine these as one solution. And eventually the uncontrolled process changes are also part of it. So if something changes, it might be that the information about this is not passed on, and it causes some distortion with the data. And what all of this leads to, so if the data quality is bad, KPIs become questionable, so we don't know anymore if we can trust on those. The root cause analysis becomes guesswork because we don't know the relations between the phenomenon that we are seeing and the underlying reasons for that. AI models fail, or they might produce noise so that it's not possible to see the essential and cut through the noise. And also trust in analytics can just generally erode. So it doesn't make sense. It's not motivational if there is no good enough data behind, in a nutshell.